What's going on, guys? So I made a quick video just showing you how I cut my hair in the mirror. Been doing it for 6 months before the pandemic. So if you're looking like a caveman and you need a little tip or how to, check this video out. Don't look like a bum.
Things that I use and that you're gonna need. So behind me or in front of me, I have this big mirror. Behind me on a 45, I have this mirror. The stuff that I use, this wall kit. Got all your guards, got your scissors, comb. It works. Here we got wireless, because I hate getting tangled up with the cord. Wireless, way to go. We got this T outliner. Get real close, nice sharp edge fades. That's what you need. Get real close. I'd recommend getting one of those. And then you get yourself a trimmer here. This one is the Remington. You can get this one at your local Walmart. No big deal. So just go back over it, take the guard off, adjust it. If you have this little adjuster on there, just back it out just a little bit. And I'm going to slowly go back and work from the bottom and then come up at an angle. And then when you get to the top, kind of like arc it, and it'll help it give that fade. And then after that, we'll go back up and clean up the fade around the top, and then possibly take a little bit off the top, and then fix all this nasty mess. And drop the clipper just like that. I think they're okay. That's it.